Hello everybody, Half Full Monty here again, and today I am replacing the uh, factory Naxa DVD TV with this here Slybok. I guess that's how you pronounce it. SYLVOX 22 Smart DVD combo. So I will I got it out of the box and hooked it up and to see if it does the stuff. The problem we've had with this TV right here, of course, the first thing was the speakers. The you couldn't hardly hear it, and you really couldn't hear it with the this here air conditioner right there on. And so I added these little, I don't know, $10 Amazon speakers to it, and that fixed that. But the other problem that we were having, it did DVDs fine, and I know that's old school stuff, but we have we go to places where they have DVDs available and what have you. So anyway, so the other problem we had was if we were going to, because most places we go to really don't have internet service, Wi-Fi, and so anyway, it's not a smart TV, so you basically have to stream to it, which means that we ended up using these HDMI cables with adapters to our pads and phones and stuff, and we constantly were having a problem with that. We did different adapters on the end, aftermarket. We actually bought some from the manufacturer, and sometimes they worked, sometimes they didn't. It was really frustrating. And then I also had this cable you had to deal with, and we've been doing that since we got it. It came with the TV new 2019, and so anyway, that's why we chose to finally try this out. So I'm gonna come back when I get it installed because it might take a while. The other thing is this, I might have to get another mount. I think maybe part of the problem is this thing vibrates, and it's just kind of, I don't know if it works, but it just, like I said, the hookups, and the antenna part, it works if you have if you're ever at a place that actually has cable, air, or cable, it works. But anyway, this new one is smart. It works Bluetooth. I can stream from my phones without having a cable, and I can download movies and whatever I want to watch and do it that way. So it's an advancement. Anyway, I'll let you go. I'll come back when I get her done to show you and tell you about how it went. Half Full Monty out. Okay, Half Full Monty here. Got her hooked up, streaming some Max True Detective over on there from a phone without a cable, which is good. I did find that the speakers on this brand TV were better than the other ones, but they weren't like super great. So I put installed my little cheap, I think they were $7 or $9 on Amazon speakers, and all is good there. Had a lot of issues trying to line up the screw mounts on the back, but if you start on the bottom holes and do those first and use a something thin, I use a really thin screwdriver to hold in one hole where I can line up the others. But if you start the bottom holes on the back and go up, it's a lot easier. And it could be possible that if you go right in on the other side here, there's a bolt that bolts this bracket to it, goes through and goes, you can go in the cabinet and get to the top. I think it's probably a 7/16 or a number 7mm, something like that. You could probably do it yourself. With you stick your arm through here, and you can take the whole bracket off, mount it on there, hold it back up in there, and do it. But it took two of us, one holding the TV, and you have to, for a little round old man, that you have to slide up underneath, like lay down here and reach up behind it. So I got my core work in today on the old installation of the new TV set in the 2019 Casita Spirit Deluxe. So I will give you an update on further use. Like I said, if you've got Wi-Fi, you can stream Netflix and Prime, and if you can also go to that Google Chromecast. You also surprisingly, it got local channels even without the booster hooked on. Anyway, you can do that, and then you can always stream from a device straight to the TV, and it's also Bluetooth. That is definitely there's no more cables to mess with. Just you have to have your device, and you can lay it right there on her handy dandy little stand there. I got from Katie's Closet at the Casita Riley, and you can put stuff on there. I put the phone on there and the TV control, but you can control it from your phone, or you can use the your standard control here. So anyway, so far so good. And once again, that was a SYLVOX Android TV. You can do Hey Google on it and get it to do stuff by voice activation. 22-inch smart RV TV DVD combo. I haven't tried the DVD yet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It's just about the same size as the one that originally came with it, and that's just about the right size for us for that space right there. So anyway, that's it for today. Half Full Monty out.